hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Hotter.
That's my people. Big up on yourself. Don't know the thing. You don't know it's a boy New Link from New Link Production. Yeah man, here YouTube news man. Right about now people. So you want to go on now. Zin? I tell you. As them say boy, how long you can run for? How long can you hide for? But I tell you now people, listen what go on now. You notice from the other day, right? How much people man do them look at wicked things to the woman them I had, right? And I just feel if you never yes them catch none of them on a real level. You know what I mean? Even if they next them maybe police hold it done, but people are one thing I can confirm tonight. No joke thing. The boy now who did that to the lady there now, up in Manchester now, you understand? Yeah, that same boy there now. Well people, you are going now. Right now he's in police custody from yesterday. Yes people, he's in police custody from yesterday because you are going now, no? One of him cousin now, where is a police officer, managed to, you know what I mean, get to him and contact him and, you know what I mean, and bring him in. And people, news reach New Link that boy, only thing the man depend boy, he can't believe saying do that. And him sorry. And him can't believe. You know what I mean? Him can't believe say him do that. And he never want it happen. Yo, what when at the end me I say, yo, people, we know say people can't have temper, they can't have anger and everything, you know. But boy, you know if you say he can't control it at the minute, even when he take up a knife or something like that, you know if you say he could have looked in his mouth and do it or something. Eh? Or even lick his head in the wall and bust up in head or something. You know what I mean? Or thump himself or box himself or something instead of do it. So we are him sorry now. Where him sorry I go right now, people? I'm asking this question. What can his sorry do now? I know when we want the people, if you notice, right? The other day, when I do the video about the same incident here about the lady from Manchester, yeah, my condolences again and to the family and everybody of this, right? I seen my comment section where somebody said there is them a family member and something, right? And they write one long heap of something I said, New Link, you tell this and that and you don't go read information and nothing go so or whatever. But I'm asking you this question if you're watching this video right now. Are you really a family member? Do you really love this loved one if it's truly a loved one? Because I can guarantee my information is coming from a close family member, right? Which I'm not sure if you is really a family member. Video was sent to me and that scene of people, you understand people when me say everything when me I say is facts. And this person will come in and say New Link, whatever, nothing ain't goes on nobody, this and that and that and that. And me have to ask the question and say, boy, you know deep inside, you have some people out this world. They just find themselves. They always come pitch themselves when you Link production thing there. Hey, you are going now. Attack for you know. I don't know where you pitch on because when I say to the family member who give me the information, everything, they are so upset. You understand? Because of people like Uno. Look here man, nobody come back around here, so. Me I tell you, nobody come back around here, so. Because in the end, I mean, know me do my video, me I say the condolence to the family, I mean, nothing bad to say. But in the end, at least people, you know, New Link, no, me I make the drive to put the word out there. So, we can see somebody else from this happen to them. You understand? And this little piece of something from nowhere now, have to come try you know I'm interrupt New Link spirit. Listen what me I say, man. Find yourself go pitch somewhere, don't pitch around us, so. Attack. Not joke thing, people. Well, let me go back to my main story now, people. So, as to what me I say now, Zane, the boy now, in a police custody now, right? Charges are going laid against him, but I don't know, so they in a court or something, no go on it or nothing for him. You get me as a people. So, you are going now. When them do press charges now, serve him time or everything, don't know how much years them are going to give him, because know the system of yard go already. Right? And look into this now. Where am I going to go now? Go eat for me and for your money then now. Right? That's why me tell people, I mean not stop to cheer. I not stop saying the cheer. Because look there now. Right? The little girl there now, because remember the Link they telling the people, is the baby daddy. Right? The woman who gone is the baby mommy. The little girl you know, don't have a mommy. Don't have a daddy. Cause one now, daddy gone there. up there so, whether them carry my Spanish Town GPR any one of them horizon, right? And where mommy there, 6 foot. Because of who? Daddy. How you expect that little one to come up now? You see nigga like, you know? Yo, you don't mean even want to say too much, you know, people, but all New Link have to say, I'm so grateful and thankful. Say them hold the boy. I say the boy in custody now. You know what I mean? Because at least the family member them can feel. Look, remember, I not thought they would fake one them come around here about them a fambo. You know what I mean? The real one them. You get me? I say, I mean, just make you know this, my people. You want to see me in New Link? Me deal with the news. I would talk about the news. You get me? I say, I may deal with my thing different. Me do give me update on things where people can not get boring. Get me? Because I get everything people like all me have it on paper and read it out. But why sense when you go there and read the paper and you hear New Link company blog of this thing? It makes sense? You know better you hear New Link talk that way now and give you the news in a different way. No matter me say entertaining, me not mean like say yo, more people feel laugh and enjoy. Me just mean oh me I deliver me thing people. You get me? But deep inside me do feel it for these people. You know what I mean? It's not joking and some yo me not like see people come across with negativity around me thing, man. Me I tell you the truth, people. I've been there and I've done that now. You get me? I say at times people get smart and realize it's a serious thing we are dealing with. That's not a joke thing this. You get me? You think say all of these thousands of people who subscribe to New Link production channel would have come and subscribe on a daily basis just be, if you think they're informative if they didn't see true, most of my subscribers are big elder people out there and I look at pick them me I tell you no people. Get me? Most of my fans them are real people I'm out there. So yo, I don't have time for the negative, man. Some people you want to go on now. Enough love, you know, and enough respect. And I see everyone who reach out to New Link with the news, them man. Bless upon yourself, man, and more love and more respect, same way. You get me? I say everyone who have my number and who contact me sometime and send me a voice note or a message and say, New Link, big up yourself, me rate you, big up on yourself, same way. Wherever you are, man, the kind of the day people, and we say, you know, love, respect, and we say we are one. You get me? I say all of the country them who are link up New Link for we come in at the place. I don't know enough love and enough respect and we soon go through. You don't know say US visa thing round the corner, you don't know the thing. So you are going people, enough love, you know, enough respect, same way and keep on doing. Subscribing, like, share, comment, and remember New Link production, YouTube. Big up on yourself, people. Enough love. Follow me on Instagram, New Link production. Follow me on Facebook, New Link production. Like up the page, man. Please follow me on Instagram, build up the Instagram thing. I don't know, say that is one of the things we use market with sell bars. So all of my fans, them, if you are a true fan, follow me on Instagram, New Link production. Just type in New Link production on Instagram and follow me. Remember me Kid Street people, support the thing. Enough love, enough respect, peace. I'm out. Big up on yourself.
What them a go do ya know? New Link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New Link. Attack.